Welcome to Manzanillo, Mexico, a hidden gem along the Mexican Riviera. Unlike the bigger and more commercialized ports, Manzanillo feels authentic. The city offers a fascinating blend of working harbor, golden beaches, warm Pacific sunsets, and a laid-back Mexican charm. As your ship docks, you're greeted by the giant blue sailfish statue, the city's landmark and a reminder that Manzanillo is known as the sailfish capital of the world. Just steps from the pier, the port area opens into a lively waterfront filled with cafes, souvenir stalls, and local markets. This is the heart of everyday Manzanillo, where cruise passengers can get an immediate taste of coastal Mexico. The city itself is split across two scenic bays, Bahia de Manzanillo and Bahia de Santiago. Manzanillo Bay is the working side of the city, home to the port and bustling with ships, markets, and urban life. Across the peninsula, Santiago Bay offers long stretches of golden sand, calmer waters, and a more resort-style atmosphere. The cruise port in Manzanillo is conveniently located within a mile of downtown, eliminating the need for tendering and allowing for easy exploration on foot. Taxis are also readily available for venturing to more distant beaches or attractions. Closer to the port, travelers can join eco-tours through nearby lagoon sanctuaries, where mangroves shelter exotic birds and wildlife. Kayak excursions here let you glide quietly through calm waters while spotting herons, iguanas, and maybe even crocodiles in their natural environment. For a different adventure, some tours head out for deep-sea fishing, a nod to Manzanillo's global reputation as a sport fishing hotspot.
Look at the plan. Now this looks like a more serious job. This one. Nice job. Bonito? Bonito?
Another favorite excursion is a day trip to Colima, the capital of the neighboring state. About an hour's drive from the port, Colima is a colonial city known for its historic architecture, historic plazas, traditional markets, and dramatic views of the nearby volcanoes. Strolling through its streets offers a glimpse into authentic old Mexican culture beyond the coast.
The city tour is a 3.5-hour excursion. Yeah, we go to local markets for souvenir. We see the views around the bay. We visit downtown Manzanillo, and close by there's beach area restaurants where you can use it. It's optional. We give you all the explanation of the city, and then we see the most important industrial port. It's a 3.5-hour excursion. We see the iguana sanctuary.
He went to turn on the air conditioning.
Welcome, city tour.
City tour around Manzanillo. We have a van for you guys, city tour around Manzanillo.
Just steps from the pier, the port opens into a lively waterfront. Stroll along the promenade and you'll find cafes, street vendors, and small markets filled with local crafts. This is everyday Mexico, colorful, casual, and welcoming.
Magneto for your referee. I make everything here. Beautiful hands done.
For those who prefer exploring beyond the city, the Sierra Madre Mountains rise dramatically just inland. Shore excursions often head into this lush countryside, where coconut plantations, banana groves, and coffee farms dot the landscape. A popular tour takes you to a working plantation to see how these tropical crops are grown and harvested.
City tour this way.
For beach lovers, Santiago Bay offers a classic shore day. Rent a chair under a palm tree, dive into the warm Pacific, or try water sports like kayaking and paddle boarding. But if you're craving more adventure, shore excursions take you inland into the Sierra Madre Mountains. The road winds through coconut plantations, banana groves, and coffee farms. Some tours include visits to plantations, where you can see firsthand how tropical crops are cultivated. The scenic waterfront promenade begins just a 10-minute walk from where cruise ships dock and offers stunning views of Manzanillo Bay, with plenty of sailfish sculptures and photo opportunities along the palm-lined path. Visitors can also appreciate the interesting modern art installations in Paseo Zodiaco section of the Malecon. The promenade provides spectacular views of the Bay Area where you might spot some cargo ships moving through the harbor during your walk. Shopping in Manzanillo leans more local than luxury. Stalls and shops around the port sell handmade crafts, silver jewelry, colorful ceramics, and of course, sailfish souvenirs to remind you of your visit. Most shops and restaurants accept US dollars, but carrying some pesos is advisable for better rates at smaller establishments and local markets, where you'll find authentic handicrafts to bring home. Food is part of the experience. Local restaurants serve up freshly caught seafood such as grilled marlin, mahi-mahi, or ceviche, prepared with the morning's catch. For a quick snack, you'll find street vendors offering tacos, tamales, and refreshing aguas frescas. If you're looking for a relaxing beach day, Santiago Bay is the place to go, with options for snorkeling, kayaking, or just lounging under a palm tree. We are now walking up the hill to enjoy breathtaking views of Manzanillo from a higher elevation. Manzanillo may not be the flashiest of cruise stops, but that's what makes it special. It's a port where you can experience Mexico as it truly is, a working city with rich traditions, surrounded by natural beauty, with its people ready to welcome you. Whether you choose to relax on a beach, venture into the mountains, or simply stroll along the waterfront, Manzanillo offers something real, refreshing and memorable for its guests. And at the end of the day, there is the sunset. After a day of exploring, the views over the Pacific are unforgettable. On a good day, the sky turns into brilliant shades of orange and pink as the sun sinks below the horizon.
Amen.